Myself Hemant Panchal from New Catholic Mission School Java. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, data handling. In this chapter we discuss how to manage different types of data in tabular form. Now before starting exercise 9.1 we discuss some term related to this chapter. So for your first term is data and information. So what is the difference between data and information? So first point, meaningless. So data is a meaningless object, but information is a meaningful object. That means second point, data is a raw fact and figure. What is the meaning of raw fact and figure? So first for this we take a example. If you want to prepare a khichdi as a food, so before starting the preparing khichdi, we have to need different types of raw material like rice, water, spices and gas stove and many other things. So this is a raw material for your khichdi. After the collection of all raw material, we applied the specific operation like mix the all objects, and after that we prepare the khichdi. So khichdi is your meaningful data. So data information. So at the starting point we have two different types of data, but this is a meaningless, okay, but after the apply the different or specific operation we need meaningful object as a information, okay. So data is a raw fact and figure, also called meaningless objects, okay, and data is a unorganized. Data is a collection of unorganized collection of data, okay. Now in contrast, information is a meaningful, okay. In the based of information we have take any type of decision, but data, in data portion we can't take any type of decision based on datas, okay. So and data is a organized collection, okay. Data is a organized collection of data, okay, sorry, information is a organized collection of different types of data. So this is the basic difference between data and information, okay. Now your next topic is telemark. Okay, so this is a method to denote any type of number, okay, like Roman numeral. We are already discussed in previous classes. Roman numeral is also method of representing any type of number. So like this, telemark is again method of representing your numbers, okay. So how to represent? So if you have number 6, okay, so how to represent in telemarks? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a collection of 5 and 1, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So this is a representation of number 6, okay. How to represent 4? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we use different types of vertical lines to show any number in telemarks, okay. So how to represent 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay. So this is a bundle of lines representing the number 5, okay. So this is your telemarks, okay. Now pictograph. pictograph. Okay, this is also called symbolic representation. Okay, pictograph is another method. Okay, so pictograph is used for denoting your data in picture form. Okay, also called picture form. Okay, so pictograph is a method to represent your data in symbolic form. We use different types of symbols to represent any data. Okay, so what is this? If you have five cars, okay, if you have 5 cars, so how to denote? So you denote, we take a picture of car. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we used a picture of car to denote different types of data. Okay, so like this, if we use any type of picture like apple, banana, mango for representing any type of data. So this is a pictograph to represent any number with the help of any symbol or picture. Okay, now exercise 9.1. Now we solve exercise question number 1. Okay, now question number 1. In a mathematics test, following marks were obtained by 40 students. For this, we prepare a table. Okay, first we prepare a table. So first here marks, here telemark, and here number of student. Okay, total student is already given 40. Okay, that means our total will be 40. So minimum marks is 1 and maximum mark is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So student obtain minimum marks as 1 and maximum mark as 9. Okay, so now we count how many one number are available. So first is 1, 2. Okay, so only 2 students obtain 1 marks. Okay, so how to denote in telemarks? 1 and 2. Okay, not a 11. This is a 1 1 1. Now 2. Now we check number 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3 students obtain 2 marks. So how to denote? 1, 2 and 3 with the help of 3 lines. Now 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 4, only 7 students. So how to denote 7? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. ठीक है, 6 student. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Now number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 students. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Now 7 number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many students? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 9. Last number is 9. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 students. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So this is our tabular form of representing data. Okay. You give a different types of unorganized data. Now with the help of this data we prepare a table and we take a meaningful information. Okay. Now the total number of students is equal to 40. Now we add this number 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 8, 15, 21 and 7, 28, 33, 37 and 40. Okay. So your question will be right. If this number is not 40, your answer will be incorrect. Okay. So now check how to your answer is correct or not. So first we add this number and our answer is equal to 40. So your answer will be right. Okay. So now as per this table we give an answer to particular question. Now your first question, how many students obtain mark equal to more than 7? More than 7. Okay. Find how many students obtain mark equal to or more than 7. Okay. So how many students to get more than, equal to and more than 7 marks? So more than 7. So 7 and 5, 5, 4 and 9, 9 and 3, 12. Okay. Now how many students get equal to 7 or more than 7 marks? So we 5 students, 4 students and 3 students. So 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 3, 12 students obtain more equal and more than 7 marks. How many students obtain mark below 4? Below 4, 1, 2, 3. So how many students? 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8 students. 8 students get below 4 marks. Okay. So this is your question number first. Okay. Now according to question number 1, we have two second question. Question number 2 and 3 is for your homework question. Okay. First you prepare this type of table and give specific answer of the question. Now question number 4. Following pictograph show the number of tractor. Question number 4, we have to question regarding to pictograph. Okay. We have symbol of tractor. Okay. So tractor is used for representing your number. Okay. So village A, B, C, D and E. We have 5 village A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now according to this table we try to give answer of particular question. Your first question is, which village has the minimum number of tractor? So now see this table, which village has the minimum number of tractors. So your answer will be D. village D has only 3 tractor. Okay, one tractor represent the one tractor. Okay, so village D has the 3 tractor, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so your answer will be 3. Now second question, which village has the maximum tractor? So according to table, village C has the maximum tractor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 tractor in village C is the maximum. Okay, now how many modern tractor C has the compared to B? Now we compare the village B and C. So in village B we have to 5 tractor and C has the 7 tractor. So village C is the maximum tractor as compared to B. So your answer is, how many tractor is greater? So your our answer is only 3 tractor is more than in village C as compared to village B. Now question number C, what is the total number of tractor in all 5 villages? Now we add all tractors. So in village A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and village B, now okay, we have village A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now how many tractors in village A? Only 6. How many? 6. Now village B, we have 5 tractor, and village C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 tractor. Okay, how many tractor? 8. Now village D 3 tractor and village E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 tractor. Okay, now we add 6, 5, 11, 11, 8, 19, 22 and 6, 28. Now again 6, 5, 11, 11 and 8, 19, 19 and 3, 22 and 6, 28. Total tractor is 28 tractors. Okay, so your answer for question number 4 is 28. Okay, minimum tractor 3, minimum tractor 3, maximum tractor 8. This is the maximum tractor. Okay, and this is the minimum. Okay, so according to table, with the help of table we give answer of 4 question, and question 5 and 6 is same as question number 4. We have already a table and give answer of the particular question. Okay, so question number 5 and 6 is for your homework question. Okay, and 7 is also. Okay, in 7 question again we have a symbolic represent, that means pictograph. Okay, and give different types of questions. Okay, so now drawing a pictograph. Okay, exercise 9.2. Now we discuss exercise 9.2. Okay, question number 1, total number of animals in 5 village. Okay, so first question is, again we draw the table. Village A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now one symbol represent 10 animal. One symbol represent 10 animal. Okay, now In village A, how many animals? 80 number of animal. Okay, 80, 120, 90, 40, 90, 40 and 60, 40 and 60. Okay, so village A, B, C, D and D, and number of animals in particular village 80, 20. Okay, now we represent these number in pictorial form, and for pictorial representation we use these symbols. Okay, and this single symbol is represent to 10 animals. So in village A, how many animals? 80. So we use 8 symbol to represent this number 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Okay. Now 120. How many symbol we use? Okay. So 120 divided by 10. Okay. Only 12 symbol. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now 90 we use 9 symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 40 we use only 4 symbols. Now 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So with the help of this symbol we represent these all these numbers in particular village. Okay, so this is a pictorial representation of any survey or table. Okay, now after the preparing this pictograph, okay, we have a different question regarding this survey. How many symbols represent animal of village E? Village E. How many symbols we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So your answer will be 6 symbol we use. Now which village has the maximum number of animal? So which village has the, okay, so village B. Village B has the maximum animals. Now which village has more animals? Village A or C? Okay, village A has 80 and village C has 90. So village, your answer will be C, because village C has the 90 animal and village A has the 80 animal. Okay, so this is your question number first. Now question number 2, total number of students is already given in particular school to different years. Show the following table. Prepare a pictograph. Same as we prepare a pictograph. Okay, and which symbol we use? Okay, for student, this type of symbol we use in this question. Okay, so after the preparing the pictograph, you have 2 questions. Okay, question number 2 is for your homework. Okay, now interpretation of bar graph. Okay, now we learn how to make a bar graph. Okay, so exercise 9.3. In this exercise we have to learn how to make a bar graph. Okay, okay, now here question number 1, 9.3. okay, the bar graph is given alongside. Show the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 and 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observation in which year was the. ठीक है. Now bar graph is already given. Okay. So with the help of this bar graph, we have to decide and give the answer of particular question. Your first question is the wheat production maximum. In which year production of wheat is maximum. Okay. So now see the bar graph. Which bar graph is longest or highest? Okay. So in 2002. Okay. In 2002 we have longest bar. Okay. So your answer will be in 2002 wheat production is maximum. Okay. Now question number 2, wheat production minimum. Okay. Now see the bar graph and check which bar is smallest. Okay. So in 1998. Okay. So wheat production is minimum. Okay. So with the help of bar graph we have to decide which and give the answer of particular questions. Now question number 2, again we have a bar graph. Okay. The bar graph of showing the sale of shirt. Okay. These bar graph give the information of sale of different types of shirt. Okay. Now question, with the help of this bar graph, now we give the answer of particular question. Your first question is, what information does the above bar graph give? Okay. So these bar graph give the information about the sale of shirt in particular days. Okay. Now question number B, what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirt? So 1 unit equal to 5 shirt. Okay. Okay. In particular bar graph we use 1 unit equal to 5 shirt. This is your scale. Okay. Now question number C, on which day were maximum number of shirt sold? Okay. So maximum, that means longest bar. Okay. So on Saturday were the maximum shirt sale of shirt. Okay. Now on which day were minimum, that means on Tuesday. Okay. On Tuesday minimum shirt is sold. Now how many shirts were sold on Thursday? Okay. So now see the bar graph. On Thursday we have only 30 sale is sold. Okay. So this is question number 2. Now question number 3 is for your homework. Try to read this bar graph and give answer of particular question. Okay. This is very easy concept. Okay. Now drawing the bar graph. Okay. Now we learn how to draw the any bar graph. So exercise, now we solve exercise 9.4. Okay. 9.4. We have a table, survey of 120 students was done, find the activity. Okay. And draw the bar graph, illustrate the above data taking 1 unit equal to 5 students. Scale will be 1 unit length equal to 5 students. Okay. So 1 unit equal to 5 students. This is our scale. Okay. Now we prepare a bar graph related to this table. So first we draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay. Now in x-axis we music and here painting. Okay, so this is your x axis and this is your y axis. Now we draw the different types of bar. Your first activity playing is number of students 45. So 45 students. Okay. Okay. So this is bar for playing. Okay. Now storybook 30. Okay. So this is your 30. Okay. So your 30. Now for TV 20. Okay. Here 30 and music 10 and painting 15. Okay. So these bar show the 45, okay, and 30, 20, 10 and 15. Okay. So this is your bar graph. So this is a method to draw the bar graph. Okay. Choose a scale and draw the x axis and y axis and draw the different types of bar related to your survey. Okay. So question number 2 and 2, 3 and 4 is for your homework question. Okay. In this question we draw the only bar graph. Okay. Bar graph related to this survey. Okay. So this is your question exercise, and now we finish exercise 9.4, and this is your last exercise of your chapter number 9, data handling. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay. And today we completed chapter number 9. Okay. Next video we come with the chapter number 10. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.